Jennifer, touch your nose.
Like this?
Yes, perfect.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Jennifer and Levent. Today, we're learning about the body. We'll learn head, arms, legs, and more.
This is important for doctors, health, and daily life.
Yes, exactly. But before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and click the like button, and please share our podcast with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
It really does. Okay, so Levent, are you ready?
Let's start. Head and face vocabulary.
Body part number 1, head.
Your head is the top part of your body.
Now you say it. Head.
This is my head.
Body part number 2, face.
Your face is the front of your head.
Now you say it. Face.
We see faces when we look at people.
Body part number 3, eyes.
Your eyes help you see. You have 2 eyes.
Now you say it. Eyes.
My eyes are brown.
Body part number 4, ears.
Your ears help you hear. You have 2 ears.
Now you say it. Ears.
These are my ears.
Body part number 5, nose.
Your nose helps you smell and breathe.
Now you say it. Nose.
This is my nose.
Body part number 6, mouth.
Your mouth helps you eat and speak.
Now you say it. Mouth.
We use our mouth to say words.
Body part number 7, teeth.
Teeth are in your mouth. You use them to eat.
Now you say it. Teeth.
Brush your teeth every day.
Body part number 8, hair.
Hair grows on your head.
Now you say it. Hair.
My hair is black.
Great. Now let's learn the rest of the body. Body parts, arms, legs, and torso.
Body part number 9, neck.
Your neck connects your head to your body.
Now you say it. Neck.
This is my neck. Body part number 10, shoulders.
Shoulders are at the top of your arms. You have 2.
Now you say it. Shoulders.
These are my shoulders. Body part number 11, arms.
Your arms connect your shoulders to your hands. You have 2.
Now you say it. Arms.
These are my arms.
Body part number 12, hands.
Your hands are at the end of your arms. You have 2.
Now you say it. Hands.
These are my hands.
Body part number 13, fingers.
Fingers are on your hands. You have 10 fingers.
Now you say it. Fingers.
I can move my fingers. Body part number 14, chest.
Your chest is the front part of your body, between neck and stomach.
Now you say it. Chest.
Your heart is in your chest.
Body part number 15, stomach.
Your stomach is where food goes, in the middle of your body.
Now you say it. Stomach. When you're hungry, your stomach makes noise. Body part number 16, back.
Your back is the rear part of your body.
Now you say it. Back.
This is my back. Body part number 17, legs.
Your legs help you walk and run. You have 2.
Now you say it. Legs.
Strong legs are important. Body part number 18, knees.
Your knees are in the middle of your legs. They bend.
Now you say it. Knees.
My knees help me sit and stand.
Body part number 19, feet.
Your feet are at the bottom of your legs. You have 2.
Now you say it. Feet.
Feet help you stand and walk.
Body part number 20, toes.
Toes are on your feet. You have 10 toes.
Now you say it. Toes.
5 toes on each foot.
Wow, that's a lot of body parts.
Conversation 1. At the doctor.
Doctor, my head hurts.
Okay. Does your neck hurt too?
No, just my head.
Take this medicine. Rest today.
Thank you, doctor.
Let's repeat that.
Doctor, my head hurts.
Okay. Does your neck hurt too?
No, just my head.
Take this medicine. Rest today.
Thank you, doctor. Conversation 2. Exercise.
Raise your arms.
Like this?
Yes. Now move your legs.
This is good exercise.
Great job.
Let's repeat that.
Raise your arms.
Like this?
Yes. Now move your legs.
This is good exercise.
Great job.
Conversation 3. Describing someone. What does he look like?
He has brown eyes and black hair.
Is he tall?
Yes. He has long legs.
Okay, I think I know who he is.
Let's repeat that.
What does he look like?
He has brown eyes and black hair.
Is he tall?
Yes. He has long legs.
Okay, I think I know who he is.
Practice 1. Simon says game.
Let's play. Follow the instructions.
Touch your nose.
Good. Touch your ears.
Raise your arms.
Move your legs.
Clap your hands.
Excellent.
Practice 2. Complete the sentence.
I see with my blank.
I see with my eyes.
I hear with my blank.
I hear with my ears. I walk with my blank.
I walk with my legs and feet.
I write with my blank.
I write with my hands. Practice 3. How many?
How many eyes do you have?
2. I have 2 eyes. How many fingers do you have?
10. I have 10 fingers.
How many legs do you have? 2. I have 2 legs. Great work today.
You learned so many body parts.
Face parts. Eyes, ears, nose, mouth, teeth, hair.
Upper body. Head, neck, shoulders, arms, hands, fingers, chest, stomach, back.
Lower body. Legs, knees, feet, toes.
Now you can talk about your body in English.
This is important for doctors and health.
In the next episode, we're learning about feelings.
Happy, sad, tired, excited.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Comment. Tell us, do you have brown eyes or blue eyes?
See you next time.
Keep learning English.
Bye.
Goodbye.